lovelies, today we are doing empties. I think these videos are quite useful because these products are the products that I genuinely use, repurchased, so these are not first impressions. If there is anything in there that I don't like, I will tell you that as well. I have a lot of skincare in this one. There are some makeup bits, but makeup takes so much longer to finish. And I have some hair products as well. The first one is the Medic 8 Crystal Retinol, and I'm on the strength 20. This has probably just one more use, but I thought I'm not gonna keep it for the next empty, so I talk about it now. This is my favorite retinol. So retinol esters, retinol, retinoic acid go under this umbrella of retinoids. Obviously, retinoic acid, the one that you get on prescription, like tretinoin, is the strongest, doesn't need any conversion in your skin. It's widely studied. It's like a gold standard in anti-aging. So retinoids are the most studied anti-aging products. I've used so many different retinols and retinals. I've been on this skincare journey for over 10 years, and this one is my favorite. First of all, why retinol? Retinol is 11 times stronger than retinol. How it works, if you apply retinol to your skin, it needs 2 steps to convert in your skin into retinoic acid. So this one only needs 1 step to convert to that in your skin. And I never got on with the prescription one. I didn't like using it. It wasn't pleasurable, so I wasn't using it. That's why I went for the next best thing, retinol. Medic 8 also formulated it in a way with the crystal encapsulation technology that it releases slowly into your skin without any irritation. I use this 20 under my eyes, and they do special retinol creams just for the eyes, which are a bit weaker in strength, but I've been using retinols for so long that my skin is fine with it. But if you are not used to it, another brilliant thing is that Medic 8 have that ladder, strength ladder. So their retinol starts from 0.01% to 0.24. And I actually bought the strongest one, 0.24. So that's what I'm going to start using now. And I wonder if it will make any difference, if it will irritate me. This one has never irritated me. So that is my number one anti-aging skin product. I have also finished the Medic 8 Advanced Night Restore. This is a ceramide cream which goes beautifully with this. This strengthens and rebuilds your skin barrier, which is very important. If your skin barrier is compromised, then you are prone to irritation, to your skin just looking dehydrated. It's almost like the skin doesn't have any protection. This is my travel size, so I buy travel sizes from Medic 8 whenever I travel because I don't want to pack the full sizes. I don't mind the retinol because it's just a small tube. And what I do when I get home, I just finish it off unless I know that I'm soon traveling again, because I don't want this to sit open in my drawer. So I took that to Dubai in January, and then I finished it off when I came home. Then I have the My Summer Light Green Rooibos serum. So you know the famous Green Rooibos serum, the brown one in a brown bottle that you use with your red light therapy that speeds up the results. I wasn't a fan of it. It's just this didn't spread so much. So they did come out with the light one, and I like this one so much more. So I finished that. I don't always, I'll be honest, I don't always use the serum with my red light. I can't be bothered sometimes. because I do my red mask usually in the morning when I'm still in bed, and I feel, right, I have to go and put this on and wait for it a bit to sink in. So I don't use it every time, but I have been using it. That's why this one is empty. Okay, SPF. So this has been sent to me a while ago, just in PR, Ultraviolet Supreme Screen. It's a hydration facial SPF that also acts as a primer, your makeup primer, and I really, really loved it. So since then, I've repurchased one. I bought one myself. That's how much I like it. It's nice and gives you really nice glowy skin. So if you don't wear makeup, this looks really lovely on your skin, and it plays well under every foundation that I wear. So definitely a winner. It's so nice when sometimes I receive something in PR, something that I've never used, and I end up liking it. So it's like discovering new things. So yes, this one is a winner. Oh, I have another Medic 8 Advanced Pro Collagen Peptide Cream. Again, this has been sent to me because this is quite new when it first came out. But, you know, I've been using Medic 8 and I buy my own stuff for probably almost a year, and now and again they send me something new to try. So this cream I love. So it's another one of those that I really loved, and now I buy it myself, and I use it usually with the advanced peptides serum. This is a peptide moisturizer to help support your collagen, but I also have noticed real plumpness from it. And all the formulas are so beautiful. They feel so lovely on the skin. So I keep using this one. I have my routine really sorted, and most of it is Medicaid. So yes, I love this one. I already have a backup, or maybe even two. Next thing is a CeraVe foaming cleanser. I've got the one for normal to oily skin because of my T-zone. They do one moisturizing one, which I have as well. I might just use that one up. This is my simple but great ingredients second cleanser. So I cleanse with oil first, and then my second cleanse is with this. I love it. It's straightforward, nothing complicated about it. It's gentle enough because, you know, some foaming cleansers can strip your skin from oils. This one doesn't. So I'm going to repurchase that. I really like it. There is nothing wrong with it. Now, the ZIIP Halo Crystal Gel. So, you know, when you use ZIIP Halo, you need conductive gel. ZIIP do quite a few different gels. They have also skincare ingredients in them. I love those gels. Yes, you can buy somewhere a cheaper conductive gel, but the great thing with these ones is that they never dry out. So sometimes conductive gel, you will apply it, and after a minute or so it dries up, you have to reapply it. With this, you don't have to, therefore you're not using as much of it. And Crystal Gel is the basic one, the more affordable one, and it's absolutely fine. It's made with 80% organic ingredients, so maybe if you have sensitive skin, that would be great. My favorite is the silver one, because that one is for hydration and plumping, and I'm all about plumping. I think plump skin just looks more youthful and healthy and bouncy. So my favorite one is the silver one. I use them all, I have them all, but I would say silver one is my favorite. I have two Colorsin products that I finish. This is the Hero one, the serum, the pink serum that has the highest concentration of the growth factors, and you can use it every day, the Colorsin products. They just basically repair your skin from within. They almost send signals to your cells to behave like your younger selves when they were younger. This is being used in a lot of plastic surgeon offices. If you have any aggressive procedures done, you use that to help with healing your skin. And I use this whenever I do any at-home treatments, like I'm using a facial laser. On those days, I won't use any actives like the retinol. I will just use this. And I have another cream which is like a recovery night complex. You can use it after your ZIIP, after micro needling. That would be amazing if you do micro needling. And the multi-action cream uses the same PTT6 growth factors complex. And this one is aimed more at hydration and firmness, and also improving your fine lines. So with Calesim products, you can use them with any actives, with your retinols, vitamin C's, with anything you like, because these don't have those actives in them, so nothing will interact badly with each other. But the important thing is you put Calesim products on first. You want them to go into your skin first. So that's the Calesim stuff. Okay, I think that's it for skincare. Now, a couple of hair products. I have the Moroccan Oil Protect. This is a heat protecting spray and I really enjoy it. I use it especially when I curl my hair, and I feel like it also helps me with the hold of my curls. I remember I discovered that when I was curling my hair without it, and then when I bought it, I curled my hair with it and it seemed to last longer. So I've already repurchased that and I'm still using it. I haven't researched heat protecting products too much. I've bought this one, I like it, so I keep using it. Now, Color Wow Style on steroids. This is brilliant if you want texture and volume without that horrible stiffness and like horrible dirty feeling in the hair, because a lot of texturizing sprays can do that. I would almost say that this is like in between dry shampoo, texturizing spray and a hairspray. This, I've used so many of these, and especially when I curl my hair, I just shake it, I lift my hair and I spray it underneath, and it gives me huge hair. And the great thing about it is that the next day is still there. So if I just rough up my hair like this, my hair goes big again. Love this product. I've bought so many of these. Since I've discovered it, I've used 3 now. So definitely love this product. I also finished one of my all-time favorites, Narciso Rodriguez Pure Mask. This has orange blossom, I think you might have ylang ylang as well, jasmine, heart of mask and Kashmiran wood. It's very clean, soft, sexy, warm. I love this fragrance. I don't know what it is about it. I like mask in my perfume anyway, but this, it smells like fresh skin, white flowers, clean laundry, but not in like a soapy way. The mask is the star in this fragrance, but the jasmine adds something to it. I don't know, I just love this. So I've shown you in one of my vlogs, I've already repurchased that. Okay, now I've got a few makeup products, which is amazing. Finishing makeup products is impossible. The first thing I have is the Morphe Bacon Set powder in brightening pink. I use this powder specifically for under my eyes. The pink really brightens under your eyes. Now I've had it for so long, it's so hard to finish powder, especially if you're just using it under the eyes. I wonder if they actually do it in a smaller size. I should have gotten smaller size, but I've repurchased this and now it comes with a white top, so if you see it, they looks different. It's just that they've changed the packaging. Love this one. The next powder I finished, which is the rhodial glass powder. I never know if it's rhodial or rhodial, so don't come for me. But again, I really love this as a setting powder, and I'm not really setting powder person. You know, I usually set my foundation with like a mineral loose powder foundation, like the Lily Lolo. But I've been using this one, and I don't know, it's quite blaring. At first, you can look quite powdery when you use it, but after about half an hour, when your natural moisture oil comes through, it just looks really nice, and it keeps me looking nice all day. I can't say it keeps me completely matte, because nothing does. In my T-zone, my forehead will always get shiny. My forehead is the worst. That's why I've got the most texture on my forehead. But I've repurchased that because I really, really enjoy it. This won't be a surprise to you. It's the Catrice Sun Lava Bronzer. I mean, I could scrape a bit more from it, but it's so old now. I love this bronzer. This is my most used bronzer. It's baked. I don't know. It's just lovely. I love everything about it. What I hate about it is the packaging. Every time I buy one, after about a week or two, the lid breaks. And that's what I hate about a lot of drugstore products, that they just fall apart. You might have seen it in one of my makeup videos. I've just bought new one, and as I was doing the makeup, the lid broke. So I have brand new powder and the lid is broken, and I travel with it. So what I do, I put hair bubble around it when I pack it because I love it so much. I like to take it with me, but I can't keep buying new one every time the lid breaks, because the one that I have is brand new, but I love it. I also finished the Catrice Glam & Doll Sculpt and Volume Mascara. You know, this mascara has been my favorite for such a long time. The brush is a bit weird, and you might not like the brush. I can't say I like the brush. I like the brush, but the feeling of it is weird because it's a weird brush. But it has lots of very fine bristles, which means that it brushes through every single eyelash. Also, it's not wet. You know, some mascaras are so wet that as soon as you put it on your eyelashes, they clump together. This one isn't. The faux is so buildable. I can do like 10 coats and still look fine with it. Love this mascara. I don't even know how many I've bought in my lifetime. Loads. So I keep using it till they discontinue it, because they always do, don't they? You find something you love and they discontinue it. And the last thing is the Precise My Brow from Benefit, the eyebrow pencil. I use the 3. I hate spending the money on this pencil because I don't know if it's over £20 for an eyebrow pencil. But there is something about it that I really like. It's the color as well. It's so hard for me to find the right color for my brows, because my natural brow color is very dark. But my brows are also very thin, overplacked. So I have to draw extra hairs and like this line under here on my skin. So if I use a lighter color, it just looks like I have two different colors of brow. And some can be a bit too dark, or the tone is not right. I quite like, I think, the Anastasia Beverly Hills taupe, and also NYX in taupe or light brown, one of those. So I use other ones, but when it comes to color, this number 3 somehow seems the best for me. It's cool enough because I don't have any warmth in my brows. They are just really dark. So I have to keep buying it. It does last me a good amount of time, but still I feel like 20 odd pounds for an eyebrow pencil is daylight robbery. Okay, my lovelies, these were my empties, and like I said, I love them all, and a lot of them I've repurchased so many times. So if you see, especially if you watch my empties all the time, you will see the same products popping up. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.